Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will review about Suzuki Gixxer SF bike. Suzuki Gixxer SF price. Suzuki offers the Gixxer SF in 3 new colors. The Suzuki Gixxer SF is priced at Rs 145,500, ex-showroom Delhi. Suzuki Gixxer SF features. There aren't any new features to talk about on the BS6 Suzuki Gixxer SF. Suzuki had given the Gixxer SF a full makeover last year. What earlier seemed like a slap-on job on the naked Gixxer, the new Gixxer SF has a distinctively different front fascia with wide LED headlight. The tail section is similar to its naked sibling, the Suzuki Gixxer SF 155, also getting LED tail lamp. Suzuki has revamped the information console on the Gixxer SF. The layout is less cluttered thanks to a thinner font. Suzuki Gixxer SF engine. The Suzuki Gixxer SF is powered by the same 155 cubic centimeters single-cylinder air-cooled fuel-injected engine. The BS6 motor now puts out 13.6 PS at 8,000 RPM and 13.8 Nm at 6,000 RPM, which is 0.5 PS and 0.2 Nm less than the BS4 mil. There are no changes to report on the 5-speed transmission though. Suzuki Gixxer SF suspension and brakes. The Suzuki Gixxer SF was already a capable handler and the same holds true even now. The chunky telescopic fork and preload adjustable monoshock of the Gixxer SF have been tuned for a sporty ride. You get disc brakes at both ends and single-channel ABS comes as standard. Suzuki Gixxer SF rivals. There are no direct rivals for the Suzuki Gixxer SF. The Yamaha R15 V3 and the Hero Extreme 200S are the only 2 bikes that come close to the Suzuki Gixxer SF in terms of capabilities. But when it comes to alternatives in the same price bracket, it also competes against the TVS Apache RTR 204V, Bajaj Pulsar 220F, Bajaj Pulsar NS 200, Bajaj Avenger Cruise 220, Suzuki Intruder and the affordable color variants of the Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Suzuki Gixxer SF specifications. Mileage, overall, 45 kmpl. Displacement 155 cubic centimeters. Engine type 4-stroke, 1-cylinder, air-cooled. No of cylinders 1. Max power 13.6 PS at 8,000 RPM. Max torque 13.8 Nm at 6,000 RPM. Front brake disc. Rear brake disc. Fuel capacity 12 liters. Body type sports bikes. Suzuki Gixxer SF features. ABS single channel. Adjustable windshield. LED tail light. Speedometer digital. Odometer digital. Trip meter digital. Fuel gauge. Tachometer digital. Suzuki Gixxer SF bike color options. Glass sparkle black. Metallic sonic silver / pearl blaze orange. Metallic Triton blue. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.